Hello friends, welcome to Early Engineers Scratch Learning Tutorial. In this video, I will tell you about the motion blocks and sound blocks of the Scratch. So first of all, we need to know what is motion. Motion is simply the change in the position of the sprite over a time. It's called motion. And these are the blocks that all related to the motion. Now we'll write the programs using these blocks. So first of all, I'm writing the program for moving this sprite some steps ahead. So whenever we are going to write any program, so we need a event or starting point. So go to event. I'm taking the event green flag, means whenever I will click the green flag, sprite will start moving. Now we'll go to motion and take this move block, move steps. How many steps? 10 steps. We can change the steps back. Okay, it's moving 30 steps. Now these two blocks are used for taking turns. So I'm writing these two blocks code also. I'm taking the other event, that is key. So I'm taking L for taking left turn and I'm taking R for taking right turn. R. Okay, go to motion and on right I will use the right turn and on left I will use the left turn. And we can change the turn degree value also. Let's try. I'm pressing the R key of the keyboard and it should take the right turn. Okay, I'm pressing the L key and it should take the left turn. Okay, fine. Now come to the next block, that is pointing direction. Means if you want to move your sprite in a particular direction, that is left, right, up and down, so you must use this block. Okay, so I'm taking other events. I'm taking up and I'm taking one more for down. Okay, now I need to move up on pressing the up key of the keyboard and down on pressing the down key of the keyboard. So first of all, we have to set the direction, means in which direction we want to move. We want to move up, so I'm selecting this one, and down, we want to move down direction, so I'm selecting this option. We must need the movement block, that is here, 10 steps and 10 steps. Now let's try. I'm pressing the up key of the key, it will start moving in up direction. I'm pressing a down key and start moving in the down direction. This block is used for point towards a particular sprite or the mouse pointer. So right now I'm leaving this block. I will give you this block as the challenge. Come to go to block. Go to block is used for going to a particular point. Each and every point represented by the XY value. So right now the XY position of the sprite is minus 166 and minus 13, and if you want to go to other position, so you can take this block. So I'm taking other event, I'm taking G for go to. Okay, now I'm using go to block and I want to go some other point, so I'm just changing this point. I'm just writing 130 and I'm just writing 40 here. so it will go to this point. So I'm pressing the G button and it will go to that point. So this point is, you can see 130 and 40. Okay, fine. This is used for go to mouse pointer. Okay, let's try this one also. I'm taking the other event for go to mouse pointer. I'm taking M for mouse pointer and using go to mouse pointer. Okay, so let's check. Right now my mouse pointer is here. I'm pressing M and you can see now sprite is here also. Okay, now glide. What is the meaning of glide? Glide means it works same as the go to, but it go to that certain point that will write here in certain time. Means if 1 is written here, so it will go to that point in 1 second. So I'm using this one also, I'm showing this one also. I'm taking the other event, that is I'm taking other key as an event. For glide, what should I take? I should take D, glide D. Okay, so whenever I press the D, so it will glide to a certain position, and I want to go to 0, 0 position within 1 second. Oh, I'm just changing the value and I'm writing 100, 100. Okay, and I'm changing the time also, so I'm changing the 2 seconds. So it will go to 100, 100 point within 2 seconds. So let's try. I'm pressing the D key and going to 100, 100 point within 2 seconds. So this is all about the motion blocks. Okay, now come to the sound block. Okay, so these are the sound blocks. I think you understand all the things. Play any sound, which sound you want to play, so you can select from here. Okay, you can go to record also, and from record you can click on here, and there are multiple number of sounds and you can use them. Suppose I am taking this one, sound I want to take. Okay. So I'm writing the program for this sound also, playing this sound also. Whenever I will click the S button, so it will create a sound. So how to select the S? Let's go down, select S. Yes. So whenever I click the S button, then it will create a sound. This sound, cave sound, and it will create until it's not completed. Now press the S button and you will hear a sound. You can change the beats, we can change the drums, we can select the drums, we can select the notes, which note you want to play, we can change the beats, and we can change the instrument, which instrument you want to play. So these are all about the sounds. So it's a matter of practice, how much you are practicing these all the things, so you will be able to understand much more. And thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing, keep on learning, keep on playing. Bye bye.